Hi there. Cough, lieutenant, phlegm, hiccup. These are the 4 words of today's lesson of English pronunciation. The first word is cough. That's monosyllabic word. 1 vowel sound, cough. For short O, we say cough. It's a noun or a verb, and to cough means to expel the air from the lungs with a sharp, sudden sound. This is called the act of coughing. Cough. I repeat, cough. Monosyllabic word, cough. The second word is lieutenant. Lieutenant. It's a 3-syllable word. It's a noun, and the lieutenant is the rank of officer in an army. Lieutenant. Stress on the second syllable, te. We say lieutenant. Lieutenant. The third word is phlegm. The G is silent, so be careful. We say phlegm, not phlegm. Phlegm. It's also a monosyllabic word, and the phlegm as a noun, it's a kind of thick and viscous substance which is formed in the nose, especially when having cold. That's called phlegm. Monosyllabic word, phlegm. I repeat, cough, lieutenant, phlegm. And the last word is hiccup. It is spelled in 2 ways, but pronounced in the same way. We say hiccup. Hiccup, it's a disyllabic word. It's a noun or a verb. And a hiccup, it's a kind of sudden spasm of the glottis. Spasm of the glottis, which is called hiccup. Spelled in 2 ways, but pronounced in the same way. We say hiccup. Cough, lieutenant, phlegm, hiccup. Hiccup, phlegm, lieutenant, cough. Cough, lieutenant, phlegm, hiccup. That's it for today. See you next time. Goodbye.